Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to transfer data from Android to iPhone. Firstly, I will show you how you can send data from an Android device. Then, I will show you the process of receiving it from an iPhone. First, you need to open the Share It app from your Android device. Tap on Send and select the data that you want to send. Once it is done, tap on Send button. Now you need to scan the QR code of the receiver device. Or you can also share it by tapping on this icon. A connection will be built when you scan this code from your iPhone. Once the code is scanned, data will be transferred. Now let's talk about how you receive it from your iPhone. Here, you need to open the Share It app from your iPhone. After that, tap on Receive. Then tap on the Scan icon. Now you need to scan the code your Android device was showing. Tap on Join. Once it is connected, your data will be shared from your Android device to your iPhone. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.